Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What is going on, everyone? Hopefully you guys are feeling good and ready for a full day, full packed day of trading. Markets right now look like they want to recover from these losses that we've had in the last few days. And yesterday she did show us a bit of strength in the morning, but unfortunately she did not look all that good in the afternoon. It was a horrible day of price action yesterday afternoon, but luckily we're able to escape with our accounts intact. I know some people probably weren't so lucky, but today we'll try to get ahead of this market a little bit better. So right now we're looking at this potential bounce that's coming in right now. As you can see, we had this huge move to the downside. We had buyers absorbing sellers here in this huge candle on Monday, and then we had this candle here on Tuesday that is now, well, that was yesterday into today. This is now starting to turn into a doji candle, which a lot of times could signal a move to the upside. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Now, if we look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour is telling a very juicy story for bulls. As you can see here, we are getting very nice price action and very nice looking candles, signaling that we are probably going to try to make this move higher. I would say into the 30K region. We do have an anchored VWAP from the all-time high up here, and that anchored VWAP lands right here at 29,900. We do have a higher level than that at 30,271. This is a 30-minute target on our Smooth Trader Concepts indicator right here, up here at 30,265. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we do have some key levels. Obviously, there's a bunch of them around here, the 29,800s. But to the downside, we have some key support levels at 29,300. Another key support level at 28,996. So some support. If the market does find itself coming back down, I'd be looking to long. And on the 30-minute, if we zoom into the 30-minute a bit, we can see that we're a pretty nice uptrend right now, sweeping these highs that we made overnight right here. We just did that a few seconds ago, a few minutes ago. And looks like the market wants to continue going up. But will we double top first and then come down? So maybe key support levels somewhere in here and then push up to our anchored VWAP. That's my ultimate target for today. And that would be a nice trade if we can catch it. Now, let's look at the ES and see what the ES is offering up today. ES is looking somewhat the same as the NQ, with one minor difference that we do have one signal here telling us that the market may move down, this 30-minute signal here. Telling us the market could move down to 73.40s, 73.48 to maybe give us one sweep before maybe coming back up. Other than that, it's also pointing to the upside. We do have an anchored VWAP up here too at 75.12, and there are some signals to go higher. So right now I'm keeping my options open on both, but I'm more likely to be a bull today. I'm more likely to think that the market could have some potential upside. So we'll keep our eyes fixed on that. I might be in a auto trade right now. Looks like we might be in an auto trade. We do have a green 30-minute wave. Did we have any MOAS parallels? Oh yeah, we did. Oh yeah, let's check this out. Our auto trader might have taken hasn't taken trades in the last few days because of the price action. It has been nothing but bearish. But let's see if we're in any trades now. Oh yeah, she's in some trades right now. The auto trader right now is in a couple trades. He's looking for longs. It's got a small loss right now, 261. Let's check out these stats and how she did. Let's go to custom range. Yesterday into today. Okay, we took 5 trades. 5 trades, is this right? Is this right? Let's see. I gotta look into this. It said it took 5 trades. All right, well, right now, she is in 2 longs. She is in 2 longs, 2 separate longs right now to the upside. Both at 29,789. So we'll see how she plays out. I gotta check to see what trade she did take. She probably took trap short. Yeah, there was a lot of trap shorts. Yeah, there was a lot of trap short indications. Those are probably the ones that she took. That strategy is separate from the MOAS strategy. It's been a choppy, rangy market there on the 5 minutes, so maybe that's why. We'll keep our eyes on it. Right now, we are getting a trap long signal here on the NQ on the 5 minute. Could push us down a little bit here on the open, but we'll see what happens after that. Bitcoin has why does TikTok keep telling me that I'm restricted, not eligible for recommendation in search results because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content? This is in line with TikTok section. Why do you keep saying that? Why? It's not just today, it's always. Like, why do you keep saying that to me? It's like every day.
Nice, but I think it's every day.
Yeah, I'm serious, it's every day.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
I have to appeal this every day.
Oh.
I'm not sure why. Maybe they think I'm like an AI version of Andrew Tate or something.
You're so funny.
Good morning to Wolfpack, Carl Dude, Ruby Zapata, I3Zs, and Michael Marcubella. Good morning on TikTok. And let's see who we got over in our YouTube. Good morning to Safe. Good morning, Kamal. Good morning, Justin. Good morning, good morning. Good morning to anyone on Kick and Twitch. Paul, good morning, brother. Paul says, an armed man robs a bank with 2 CDs glued to his glasses. The cashier hands the man the money and then says, gotta ask, what's with the CDs? He replies, it's my disc eyes? Oh, it's my disguise. It's my disguise. Get a bit?
Oh.
Disguise.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, Otis. Yeah, that's pretty funny. I got a short right now on Bitcoin. Looking to target these levels down here at 59. We'll see if we get it. Right now it is printing. Yesterday I took profits on my Bitcoin long. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin as well, my preferred exchange is BTCC. I'm currently using them, and I am an American citizen. No VPN needed. I know most leverage exchanges do need you to be outside the United States, but BTCC does not. They give you $30, guys, just for doing a KYC. Then they give you a 10% bonus also for any deposit over $500. So if you deposit $500, they give you $50 for free. You trade with the $50 and don't even worry about your 500. As you continue to rack up your volume on trading, you can get extra bonuses ranging from 50 USDT all the way down to a $30,000 Rolex. So that is good stuff. That is real good stuff. Also, if you guys want to use our prop firm matrix, it will compare the top 4 prop firms that I'm currently trading with, and it'll let you know who has the best deals. You just go here and pick the size of the account you want, whatever size you want. It tells you exactly what the rules are, how much the discounts are, what your total cost would be, and it also tells you the latest coupon code, and the links to the websites are there as well. Check it out. It's pinned in the chat. Also linked in the bio. All right, right now we do have about 5 minutes to go, so we could check out what's going on in the overall market. The mags right now look like when I say mags, guys, you probably don't know, some people may not know, it's the mag 7, which is this it's the 7 largest companies in the S&P 500, some of them in Nasdaq as well. So these companies are the big movers. Right now the mag 7 is looking rather strong. Don't want to get into too much there because there really isn't too much of a clear sign at the moment. Nvidia right now being the largest company in the world, it also holds a lot of weight in the Nasdaq and S&P. She's looking pretty strong. She hit a target down here at 209, but we still got targets at around 212 and 214. So we'll see if we maybe come up to see those today. For you oil traders right now, we did break under $90 on oil, which is a good sign that the war might be coming to an end.
Excuse me.
Usually the stock market does predict what the news will be. And it looks right now like we're probably going to get some peace talks because we're at $88 right now on oil. The YM, which is consumer staples, a lot of consumer staples like things like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Walmart, things like that. She's doing all right. She's doing all right. She's above 51,000. She barely got a scratch on the nose on Friday. And gold right now is just hovering around 43.58. Gold is a very sensitive asset, very sensitive to geopolitical things and also rate decisions. Right now she is just cruising around 43K, nothing to see here.
Cruising for a bruising.
Cruising for a bruising, absolutely. Like her name was Susan. All right, let's see. Good morning to Candace. How are you, Candace? Thank you for joining us here. Why don't scientists trust atoms? I don't know, Safe. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Kamal says, good morning, Mrs. Smooth.
Morning.
Because they can't make up because they make up everything. Oh, that's why you can't trust atoms, babe. Because they make up everything. You prefer Blowfin? No KYC. Check it out. Yeah, it's good until they do. Every prop firm that has said no KYC is only no KYC until they do need a KYC. Prop firms, leverage exchanges can only fly under the radar for so long before they got to do a KYC. If they want longevity in the U.S. market, they're eventually going to have to go to KYC. You got a KYC to do anything nowadays, guys. If you want to be in a prop firm, you got a KYC. You want to trade with Webull, Robinhood, KYC. You know, like you can't really get around it. But if you're gonna take your trading seriously, and you're going to do it long term, you're probably going to end up doing KYC anywhere. I used to go to Bybit. I used to go to like all these other places to avoid KYC. And then everybody just started coming around to either KYCing or really being strict against US based traders. So then I just gave up and I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go an exchange that does allow US traders, no VPN needed. No chance of getting your assets frozen in an offshore country or an offshore account, and just bite the bullet in KYC. I mean, I'm not a bad person. They're not gonna find me on any list. Maybe top worst traders list, but that's about it.
Don't say that.
I'm just kidding. All right, we do have the market opening up here in just about a few minutes here. And by the way, good morning, Bovi Stato. BTCC does not require you to KYC, but if you start to want to request a withdrawal, then you're gonna have to KYC anyway. Once you want to make your first withdrawal.
Good morning, happy birthday. Patty's on. The birthday girl.
Oh, guys, it's Patty's birthday today. So if you see Patricia Miller in the chat, say happy birthday to you. Like Stevie Wonder says. All right, market opens up here in less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute.
Less than 1 minute.
Yeah. Patty's turning 23 today, guys. So say happy birthday. Go Portugal, says Bovi Stato. I say, go Knicks. Last night, the Knicks took a little bit of an L. Tough loss. At home, of all places.
Go Knicks.
Patty says she wishes she was 23. Yeah, she's not really old enough to drink yet, so she wishes she was 23. World Cup heating up. What's my team? I don't really have a team. I just love watching the World Cup. So any exciting teams to watch are good for me. In your matrix, a trade-off 50K growth says target is 2,500, but it's 3K. I'll fix that today, Safe. Yeah, you two the Knicks. Nice. All right, market's open. And she's moving. She is moving. Guys, don't be scared. It's okay. She does this. Make sure your account is on 1 and off, okay, babe?
Yeah, we're both on 1 and off. We got this.
Let's see what we get here today, guys. I hope not a lot of chop. That would be amazing if we got a whole lot of good movements.
Mm-hmm.
Market is definitely trending higher, guys. So I think that longs could be the move. We'll see. I've got a target to the upside here after breaking through here. We have 790. We have 800. We'll see what happens. ATR right now in the 1 minute is 33. That's pretty high. For the market just opening right now, that's pretty high. Thank you for subscribing, Jinka. Jinkia. AJ. Market looking a little bit reversely. But which way will she go? Which way will she actually go? Ooh, what a little move.
How low can you go?
What a move. What a move.
I feel like this thing picked off.
The what?
I think it's picked off or left off yesterday.
So,
Like from the 9, maybe 9:05 or 9 o'clock till now, it looks choppy.
mm-hmm.
So I'm like, that's kind of reminding me of yesterday.
Yeah, that pre-market price action today was not something you probably would have wanted to trade. That was very ugly. Yesterday's price action, I haven't seen price action that bad in a while. I mean, it's expected after getting a 1,500 point move on Friday, the market is going to consolidate, right? And right yesterday after 11, 12 o'clock, it just got real ugly. Fair value gap down to 26K. You think we might have a right shoulder setting up for a downside to 26K? Yeah, but we still could be. So we might be getting this push to the downside. Yeah, it's a little dumpy. ES is moving higher. NQ moving down. What is going on here? ES has got some pumpage to it. So who's the liar here? Somebody's lying. Who do you think's lying, babe? The ES or the NQ?
I'm gonna say NQ because it keeps playing with my feelings.
NQ's lying, huh? That means NQ may want to go higher, guys. But she asked if she wants to go down.
I just have a personal vendetta against it right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, what a pullback.
Patty's like, yeah, I also have a personal vendetta against it.
Yeah, Patty did not have a happy day yesterday with the NQ. Neither did
Personal.
I. Honestly, I really had some kind of a low resentment against the NQ yesterday.
That's what I'm saying. It's personal.
Yeah. I was a little pissed off at her. It's those non-follow through days that really kind of get me feeling a certain kind of way. Because eventually she's going to go there anyway, but she just doesn't do it.
Exactly.
Yeah, we got Bitcoin falling right now pretty hard. That's good for our trade. What a dumperoo here. Looks like she might be just shaking off some cobwebs here before possibly moving higher. I'm going to wait for the 5 minutes to guide me into the real move. Because I've noticed that these other days when I've tried to get the smaller time frames to guide me, there's a lot of trickery. 40 on the ATR almost, 38.75. $30-minute right now is creating a trap long situation.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that fake out.
Probably has to leave by 5, babe.
She has to leave at 5?
By 5, by 11, sorry.
By 11? Yeah, hopefully we're done by 11.
I don't know where that came. Oh, yeah. You gonna record it? Okay. Oh, okay. That's fun.
Babe, since Patty's trading an eval, she's trading an eval, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to have her trade a little differently than us because she can be a little more aggressive than we can. We're trading a funded right now. Tell her to put her... Can she create an ATM for 40 points? Ask her to create an ATM for 40 points.
Babe, do you know how to create an ATM of 40 points?
So she created one for 30.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So she creates one for 40. All she has to do is go to the ATM,
No,
create one.
she says she knows.
So
Create one for 40.
40 would be 160 ticks
Huh?
in either direction.
Tama.
Yeah, so this is all she has to do. An ATM here would be...
Here, babe.
Okay, we're going to do one for you too.
No.
Okay.
Do it while you multitask.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, click on the gearbox next to your ATMs. Yeah, add ATM. Click 40 bit. Type 40. Okay. All right. And then okay. And then you're gonna go to ticks, stop loss. Okay. And then on the take profit, you put 160. And then on stop loss, you put 160. Okay. And save. All right. All right, so now just put on 1 and 40 for now. All right, yeah. Still, the long's a little better. I'm going to be patient and wait here. Bitcoin's dropping hard. ES moving higher. Looks like the ES might be pulling the NQ up. Let's see about what NVIDIA's doing. NVIDIA's all over the place right now. Mag 7 moving higher. That's why the ES is moving higher as well.
We're gonna do longs instead?
What bit?
We're gonna do longs today?
Oh, I'm not sure yet. You just gotta be patient, but longs look better.
Mm.
If I had to guess where the market wants to go, it's probably higher. Maybe not initially or right away.
Yeah.
But I think it wants to end up taking out the 29,800s.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, looks like we're getting some resistance here by the bears. Bears are pushing price down pretty hard. I'm really not looking for shorts. Not looking for shorts. I'm gonna wait for long opportunities.
Okay.
What's up, Trey Conti? How are you? Looks like the market's setting up for something nice, possibly move to the upside. Oof, she looking strong. Beast mode. Looking real nice right now. Longs here look pretty good. Just be patient. I'm gonna be patient.
Okay.
Longs here look real good. Damn, she's going without me. Yeah, this move to the upside here looks real nice. Looks like it's gonna go straight up to 800 right now. Wow, this thing was just beast mode. It just went beast mode. It didn't even give us a chance to get in. Just went nuts, absolutely nuts. This is where I was looking for this anchored VWAP. This is the move, the 29,800 move right there. May have to just go long and just look away, man. Because this thing is just unbelievably bullish right now. It sucks. It sucks. I hate when this happens. You just go straight to the moon without giving us a chance to even get close to it. I go, all the targets that I have getting hit. Oh my god.
So you're saying because you couldn't get in?
Ah, it just went straight up. It didn't even give us a chance to, no pullback at all.
Yeah.
All right, man. This is just, it's just getting worse by the second. I don't want to chase. Because the minute you chase, that's when she reverses on you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. The patience you gotta have with this thing. And I wanted the longs. You heard me the whole morning say I want these longs.
Yeah.
Come on, man. This is crazy. It won't give us a pullback. It's just gonna go straight up. Oil's going straight down.
I know what you mean.
This is so frustrating. All these levels I had on the NQ here just got wiped out in a blink of a 5-minute candle. This is not going to pull back. It's just not going to. This thing is just ridiculously strong.
Dang.
This is just this is just unbelievable. What's up, Vintage Trader? Darlick, what's going on? Next target right now is 880. This is crazy.
You're just waiting for it to go down and go in.
Yeah, I'm waiting for somewhat of a pullback because if I go straight in right now, I mean, we're gonna have to hold about a 200-point stop loss. I'm not doing that. From the only logical place to put a stop loss, your risk is 185 points.
Mm-hmm.
And that's just too much.
I get you.
Even with 1 micro, that's a very, very sad day. But get ready, you never know.
Okay.
It'll come back down, says Candace.
Yeah, well.
You know what Mo says? It can't go up forever. Jet Ski says this is crazy. Better wait it out than lose it all. Yeah, I don't want to lose it all. Bless you, babe. Trying to get it traded by 11 creates FOMO. Yeah, it does. I don't need it by 11. I just don't want this thing to go straight to the moon
I don't know why it sneaks
without
so
me.
loud sometimes.
Goes ripping. Squeezer? Yeah, it's going to be a squeezer.
You still heard it through the thing.
Wish we could have gotten the 700s. Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't realize I had my chart set here on the 5-minute, and I was looking at the 5-minute. If I would have had it on the 1 minute and I saw this trap long here, and then I would have seen this green diamond here taking out this trap long, I would have went long here. But by the time I switched over from my 5 minute to my 1 minute, it was already gone. But we are getting a little bit of a pullback now, so I am grateful for that. Let's see if we can continue. This might give us something to look forward to. What do we do if we get a pullback? Well, I'd want to see I'd want to see some kind of a manipulation on either the 1 minute or 15-second for a continuation higher. If I don't see that, such as a trap short, or maybe a trap long reversed by a trap short.
Ready?
Paul says we have news at 10, existing home sales.
Ready? Did you sneeze?
Mo says it definitely can't go up forever. Yeah. The FOMO on that move was real. I tell you.
Oh my gosh.
Candace says, bless you, babe.
Thank you.
If you're going to sneeze hard, just mute yourself. Some people are sensitive to loud noises. Oh, you did? Yeah. You always think ahead. I'm sorry.
No.
I don't have to tell you.
Last time I did not.
Okay. All right, get ready. We might go long here.
Oh, get ready to go long, okay?
I'll let you know in a sec.
There's that pullback you wanted.
Yeah, it's not that big of a pullback, but it's something. ATR is a 37 right now. On the 1 minute. Let's see how far back she can come.
Does Patty still have one contract or no?
Yeah, she's tell her to stick with one still.
Okay. Yeah, I have to do mine too.
Looking for some possible support in this area here.
I don't know. I just got so sleepy.
She might reverse this entire move here. What a quagmire that might be. Yeah, I don't know why that anchored VWAP showing up there. There is supposed to be no anchored VWAP there. The anchored VWAP is up here at 900. Wow, what a reversal on this move. Thank God we did not chase. Thank God the chase was not in us. Congratulations to anyone who caught the long here, though. That would have been quite the move. She might get a move down to the VWAP. 610 level looks pretty nice. Oof, I can't believe she gave back that whole move. That's crazy. That move up was strong and that move down was stronger. Penny says first time she sees you, babe. Have a conversation with the chat. You were long at 740. Nice. For head and shoulders. I have a lower 29K target, says Penny. You can't go up forever, says Mo, and he was right.
Thank you, Penny.
He was absolutely right. This push down here is pretty aggressive.
Then it went right back down.
What's that?
Right back to where it started going up.
Mm-hmm. Right back to the beginning of that move. What a move. What a move.
Mm-hmm.
We got news in 3 minutes, I think, existing home sales. Yeah, teaching my kids how to trade. Yeah, my youngest showed an interest in it. My oldest, not so much yet. But my youngest is pretty proficient for a 11-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're coming into that area that had some support. Had some volume earlier. You have $2 and want to teach them, but don't want to burn them out too young. Just plant seeds. There's no need to have them like spend hours on the charts, but by planting the seeds and giving them the fundamentals, they'll gravitate to it on their own if it's something that is meant for them. Yeah, we got Bitcoin ripping to the downside. Do you paper trade with them or just have them watch? Paper trade. I let her paper trade. It went up 100 moving average and then pulled back. Yeah.
What's the weather?
What it?
Batty. Oh, that's beautiful.
What's that?
It's 71 in Jersey.
71?
Yeah, and it's gonna go up to 73.
Nice.
Love that kind of weather. Oh, sorry, 83.
Too bad it only lasts for a few months.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty strong reversal. Oh, what a push.
Yeah.
Strong fake out to the upside. Big push to the downside here.
Yeah. No, you gotta confirm OS, babe.
On the 1 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. We hit the VWAP here. We have to confirm OS on the NQ and the ES. We got news right now. Let this news play out. Let's see what happens here. Could end up getting a little pop here on the NQ. We did tap the VWAP and almost tapped the 610 level on the 15-second. There's a 15-second level at 610. It just missed that. Could get a little bounce here.
I'm gonna use the bathroom.
Yeah, tell Patty to try to possibly take the long here in just a sec.
Never mind.
Hold on.
Lewis had to get
Tell her to go now.
Go long. Yeah.
Tell her to put her stop at
Yeah.
626.
Put your stop at 626.
She should be hitting her TP soon,
Okay.
hopefully.
The TP is a 726.
That's good.
That's fine. That's funny.
Okay, you and I might go along too, babe. Just give me a second, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I have to transfer everything to my laptop. Yeah, I'm fighting this. I don't know if I'm getting sick.
Tell her that she might have to take her TP if I tell her, okay? Right now, in a second or so. Tell her get ready to take it if anything, okay?
He said get ready to take it just in case, but he'll let you know.
Okay, you and I might also get into a trade.
Mhm.
Take it. Tell her to take it.
Take it.
We're setting up for a long possibly, baby, you and I, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Not yet, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Tell Patty go short.
Go short, Patty.
Where's her stop?
Her stop is at 616. No, sorry. 696.
Okay.
Take profits at 616.
Where's her take profit?
616.
Okay, that's good.
Mm,
All right, I think we're gonna get this move to 610 at least before doing anything else, or maybe even lower.
mm-hmm.
All right, she might get taken out here. She's gonna get taken out. All right, she's
She
out?
got out. Yeah.
All right, tell her just chill, wait.
Mm-hmm.
Giving us a real bag of dog poop here.
Yeah. Do you have time to go to the bathroom?
Hmm?
Do you have time to go to the bathroom?
Yeah, just go.
Yeah, I'll be back, buddy.
Still not looking great. Here comes that short that was meant for Patty. Yeah, this white line should hold some weight. So you could push down at 610 still, or a little bit lower. Maybe to this white line. This is another very important white line here. This 537 level. This is major support as well. Yeah, this looks like a key level right down here. 629, 530s. They might be pushing it down to these 530s before bringing it back up to 900. That's what I'm thinking here. Let's see. Apple's falling hard. Yeah, Apple had a really bad product release yesterday with some kind of like AI Siri that everybody thought was garbage. So they're not doing too good. They're not doing that hot. All right, we are getting that push to the downside right now. Looks like 610 is going to come into play. 610 is probably going to come into play here any moment. Maybe even this 550 level that I'm looking at here, 520s, 530s. Damn, Patty, that sucks. That was your trade right there. Shorts here look real good down to this 530 level. Yeah, Patty's trade came in after she got stopped out. I should have told her to have her stop higher. It's crazy.
Okay, I'm back.
Womp womp, yeah, I know. So many traps. Traps everywhere, of course. Yeah, so I am looking at this level down here, this next level that we're heading here for support. I had this marked out before the open. From here, this could be a very nice place to possibly catch a bounce on the cube. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, maybe it's just a down day for the rest of the day. Damn, the ATR is 50 right now. That's crazy. Tell Patty that she should probably take off her ATM. We're just gonna go with one.
Patty, take off your ATM.
1K unfunded from those moves. Nice trade. Yeah, that was a really nice move here to the downside. Yeah. The MOAS power short here confirmed the level down here to 529. Kamal, you're up 5K? Nice, man. Send it lower, says Justin. Rumo is long on the NQ from 652. Careful, brother. Okay, we're getting to the support level. Let's see how she reacts here. See what kind of reaction we can get from her. If any at all. She might go straight down to the daily open.
It keeps going down.
Yeah, is it?
No.
Is it ever? Hmm. 52 right now in the ATR. That's massive. Yeah, patience here. This is crazy.
That's funny.
Yeah, she's moving right now. This thing is on fire. 52 on the ATR. You guys got your watch your sizing. You can blow up a lot of accounts in this market. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
I'll be back after these messages. That's so funny. See? Dogs can be... She's telling you to let her tan.
Okay.
Oh, then she said, let me take my nap. Mom, leave me alone.
Who is that, Luna?
No. Callahan is relaxing outside and being a baby, like a child. Giving parents hard times.
Man, this is gonna be a dumperoni and cheese today, isn't it? Holy smokes. This might really go down. The 30 minutes horrible. Sorry, the 30 minutes horrible. And everything's shifting fast.
She's like,
Holy smokes, guys.
she's like, Mom, you have to work.
Yeah, this is not looking good for the longs at all. This thing has now shifted to being massively bearish. That 30-minute does not look good. Did some news hit? No, it wasn't home sales. It wasn't the home sales that caused this. No news. U.S. existing home sales, actual 4.1 forecast 4 million. That's better than expected. Talks and agreement to prevent Iran from acquiring a nuclear weapon are achieving positive results. Yeah, we might just get a massive reversal to the upside here because there's no real reason for us to be dumping this hard. But we did take out the targets that that the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator called out. We did take them all out. We hit the daily. The daily's been hit now. Holy smokes. 55 on the ATR right now, guys. Massive. Holy smokes, man. This is not stopping. Wow. This thing is crazy. Maybe we would come down to 300, 310 now. This is another level of support that I have here at 310. This is just bananas. Holy moly. You guys seeing this? Paul, what was your news? It's about oil? No, I didn't see your news about oil. The U.S. Energy Secretary, right? It will be many months to return to normal energy flows. Oh, man. Yeah, that's not good for the markets. Oil is not really up that much, though. Oil's still at 87, 88. Which leads me to believe this may be some kind of a...
That's insane.
Yeah, this is dumping. No support anywhere. Yeah, my long bias went out the window. Holy mackerel. Straight up, straight down. Okay. What's the 4 hour looking like? Much needed pullback. Bitcoin dumping down to our targets, I think. We're at 61 on Bitcoin right now. Good thing I took that short. Oof, man. All right, we got a key level here at 300. Let's see if it'll hold. That 4 hours looking bad. Holy smokes. Is the stream okay, guys? I'm getting a signal from YouTube about poor streaming bit rate or something. I hope you guys are all right. Hope trading is going well today. I haven't taken a trade yet, so I guess it's okay. I was really waiting for 5-minute confirmation on a move, but oof, this was just nutty. It was crazy. Yeah, we could see an attempt to head down at 300. We could see an attempt to head down a little bit more here on the ES to maybe the daily open or the overnight low at 73.90 for the ES. Overnight low here is at 29,300 for the NQ. Then and only then we'll maybe have an opportunity to take longs, but who knows? Sometimes he bounces before it. Did Netanyahu crash the market, says Joey? I don't know. Stream's good? Thank you. Must be news? I don't know. It wasn't the housing news. It's a little laggy. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. It should be back to normal now. ATRs right now are absolutely massive. 55 right now in the 1 minute. Could possibly see a little bounce on the NQ here before the overnight low. Sometimes that happens. I am currently short on Bitcoin, which is good because Bitcoin's approaching that 60K mark again. Currently at 61.6. Go long here, babe. Try one long here.
Both of
Yeah,
us?
just go long, babe.
Go long, Patty.
Okay. I'll tell you when to get out. Put your stop at that low that you just had.
Okay, put your stop at the low that was just there. So like 358.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a move higher.
And Patty's like, to the moon, Alice, to the moon.
To the moon, Alice?
Yeah. Alice or
Alice?
Alex?
Alice.
Okay.
You don't know about Archie Bunker?
No.
Or that was the Honeymooners? No, that was Archie Bunker. Was it Archie? Yeah. No.
That was so funny.
Or was it the Honeymooners? I think it was the Honeymooners. Ask her which one it was. Was it All in the Family or the Honeymooners? I forget.
He said, was it All in the Family or Honeymooners? Huh? All Honeymooners.
It was the Honeymooners, yeah. Get out here, babe.
Okay, get out, Patty.
It could go a little more, but it's not worth it.
Okay.
We might take another long in a sec, but right now it looks like we could hit 520 and then she might be done for.
We might take a long in a sec. We might take another long. I'll let you know.
She's got the money in the bag? Yeah, of course, Ambi. She knows what she's doing. we took those profits. Glad we took them all. Okay, get ready to go long if I tell you, okay?
Yeah.
Long?
Go long.
Go long.
Go long.
TP at 530?
TP what?
530 TP?
530 TP.
Stop loss at 444.
Stop loss at 444.
Stop that.
Oh, dang it, yeah.
Sucks. Get ready to go long again if I tell you.
Okay. Get ready to go long again.
Alright. Right now, let's... You're gonna go long with 2, okay, babe?
Okay. But we're gonna go long with 2, not now though.
If I tell you.
When he tells us we're gonna go long with 2.
If we do go long. She may want to come down and get that overnight high first. Okay. Yeah, right now the shorts are looking better, but that's fine. And so we might get that move down to the overnight low first. Yeah, I don't know why my stream's a little laggy today. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. I gotta figure out this stupid internet, man. So we're getting that move down to the 300 mark. Longs are looking terrible. Wow, they're going.
Well.
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
They play a lot of games around here.
Mm-hmm.
We're so close there to the we're so close to the 300 mark, which is the overnight low. And then it looks like she wants to bounce as well. So this is where it gets a little tricky. $450 kiss. Do you know liquidity pool 350? You have book map. 300 looks like could be their target. We have a target at 29,000 on the 5 minute. 5 minutes giving us a move way down there. I know a lot of you were calling for this 29,000 level, and it looks like it could come in. 5 minutes saying that we could get it. Tide has shifted here. Go long.
Okay, go long, Patty.
Stop is going to be at 396.
Stop is at 396.
We might have to bail around 550.
And then one at
550 is a TP. Put it a little bit below that, like 548.
Oh, never mind. You said 548.
Let's see if it'll go. See if we can get it to go.
Other way.
Come on. BS. Seriously, is going to roll into a trap long here. See if they can hold this. Damn it. Let's see if buyers can step in here and push this a little higher. And Q looked all right on that last push. Okay, buyer stepping back in. Come on. Come on, NQ. TP at 550. See if we can get 550. Stop loss 396. 52 right now in the ATR, 1 minute ATR. That's huge. Probably get stopped out here. Look like they want to come down to 300. Damn it.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say. All right then.
Just gotta
Love
go.
you.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah, looks like they're just wanting to.
Huh?
Looks like they're just wanting to bring this down lower to 300 first.
Yeah, of course.
This sucks because they look real good here for a little pop.
Yeah, I'm gonna step away though.
Where you going?
Nowhere.
Why?
What?
Why are you stepping away?
Because I'm gonna come back later.
Huh?
Because I'm gonna come back later.
Okay.
Alright. Thank everyone for now.
All right. Okay. Okay, that moved to 300. All right, overnight low is going to get taken right now. My fault for getting too ahead of myself there. This is exactly what they wanted. Looks like they want to bring it down to 29K. No bounce, no bounce, no bounce. All right. I guess there was news that I don't know about, but market right now is just looking for 29K, looks like. We're only 300 points away from it. Might as well. All right, that was taken. The overnight low was taken on the NQ and not on the ES though. ES still has 73.90 down there. So it looks like probably no moves to the the upside at all for now. All just bull traps. Just bull traps. Lost on account? Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Candace. Tough morning here with straight down move, no pop. Another Friday-like morning today. This is turning into another Friday. Crazy, crazy sell-off here. Looks like they want to bring this back down to the 29K. Is this correct right now? A 70 on the 1 minute ATR? I've never seen this in my life. Have you guys seen this? 70 right now. Is this reality right now? A 70 on a 1 minute ATR? Holy moly. I've never seen this in my life. Market's dumping all over? Yo, this is crazy. This is just absolute madness. Yeah, only thing keeping me sane right now is my short on Bitcoin. But other than that, I mean, I could understand Bitcoin. But what is going on here in the NQ and the ES? Massive capitulation here. This is just nuts. We got a 35 on the we got a 35 on the 15 second on the ATR. 74 on the 1 minute now. This is wild. Dude, we got ATRs on the ES that look like NQ ATRs. This is why you stepped aside for the week. You knew this was going to happen. No trades for me. Yeah, I was imagining yesterday's price action, the choppiness after a 1600 point move. But this is... Screen is freezing. I don't know, guys. I don't know why. I wish I could tell you guys why. I don't know. I don't know why. Hopefully it fixes itself, because there's nothing else I can do. I've tried everything already. 29K coming right up. I know a few of you were talking about 29K, and here you go. Served up on a platter. That's crazy. I don't know why I was trying to longs here. Stupid of me. Knowing that it was a red wave, I'm trying to long into the VWAP. We see it often, though. We do see it often for us to get a move higher before getting the sweep in the overnight low. Not today. $76 ATRs right now. 76. Sorry about the screen issues right now, guys. Sorry about the lagginess. I don't know what to do about it. I've tried everything. I've tried absolutely everything. If you guys are watching on Kick or Twitch right now, just hop on over to the YouTube. I'm gonna stop Kick and Twitch for now until I figure out what's going on. I might start it again if it doesn't fix itself. Let's see if maybe that works. I got the 8 cat 8 cable. No, I lost $80. 87. So it's equal to 1,000. Because I have about 10 or 11 contracts. Wow, this is insane. This is a huge level here too, 29K. $260. Trying to long here to 260, but will it work? I don't know. Nope. Looks like 260 is not going. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know. Looks like not. They're just baiting bulls. They're just baiting bulls. There's no real bounce here. I got a TP at 260. Let's see if she'll run. Come on, 260. TP 260. Come on, 2P. 2P. TP 260. Let's go. TP 260. Come on. Low relief bounce, low relief bounce. Come on. Come on, NQ. Push NQ, push, push, push. A little bit more NQ. Come on NQ. Let's go a little more, baby, a little more. Sweep this high here. Nice NQ, nice, nice, nice. Come on. Come on. Little more. Little more, baby. Give us 260. So weak. Come on, NQ. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, baby. A little bit more. Don't you start. Don't you start. Hey baby, how are you?
Okay.
How you feeling?
Same thing as yesterday.
Same thing as yesterday?
Yep.
You want to say hi to the chat?
Yeah.
They were asking about you. Does your daughters know how to trade? I was like, Catalina knows. Catalina definitely knows. Hopefully we got a TP right here, baby. Let's see if we got a TP. We needed to go up to this green line. You think you can go to that green line?
I think it could. It's just moving a little bit slow.
It is moving slow. Good observation. Come on, push a little more in Q. Push a little more in Q. Oh, is she gonna do me like that? She gonna do me dirty? You think it's gonna go, baby, or no?
I think I might hit the take profit, but I don't know if it's gonna go down or up. It might go down, but I feel like it's gonna.
Come
I
on.
feel like it's gonna troll you and it's gonna go back up.
I think so, right? She does feel a little trolly this morning. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. A
She
little bit
decided
more.
no push her.
Give us the push to the 260s. Come on, 9Q, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, NQ. Ay, NQ, you're killing me. You were absolutely destroying me.
Where's Joelle?
She's in her room, she didn't feel good.
Oh.
She went to go lay down for a minute. You wanna go knock on the door and say hi?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
go
love
say hi.
you.
I love you too, I'll be right there, okay?
Okay,
Don't stress.
I finished everything this morning.
Oh, good. Make yourself some breakfast.
Huh?
Make yourself some breakfast.
I don't want breakfast this morning.
No?
Is that
Okay.
fine?
That's fine, baby.
Okay.
Alright, I just took the profits on that because this is just stupid now. This is price action is just stupid. Price action is retarded. Oh, never mind, I said it again. Hopefully I don't get banned on TikTok once again.
She didn't answer.
No? Okay, she'll open in a minute. Dude, this is some tough PA. This is real tough. Hate speech on TikTok again? I got hate speech on TikTok again. Yep. I mumbled it. I mumbled it. The R word. I can't stop saying it. I'm nothing right now. I'm out of it, Con. I took my profits. Stupid, man. I just don't like how this stupid price action does not move. It just gives you the runaround. She literally came to tick me. Delta is very important. Delta is important. These ATRs are just absolutely massive, guys. We got a 63 right now on the 1 minute. 63. Good? Hmm? You sure?
Yeah.
Everything okay? I'll be there for a little while. Huh? Do I have internet? I think you do. If you don't, tell Julie. Love you. Alright, market is turning around here. Turning right back down. And so we could come see this target here around 2920. 29,000. I'm green? Yeah, slightly green. Slightly green. Yeah. My fundeds are slightly red and the rest of them are green. The only thing in town right now is these shorts. Shorts are the only thing cooking right now. $380 is coming, Con? 300? Yeah. When I see it on the 5 minute, then I'll trust it. Right now, it's just too hard. It's too hard to trust anything under 5 minute. Trying to move back up to 260 to see if it goes. Come on. Come on, 260. I know you've been teasing me with this for the whole morning. All right. Finally green. Why such a discrepancy though on my fundeds? I mean on my live accounts. What the hell is that about? Huge discrepancy. Alright, looks like she might end up going. $138. We'll stick with the long here for a little bit, see if we can get a move higher. As long as we can stay above, 206, 210, we should be all right. They definitely got to hold this level here. If they don't hold this level, I'm out of it. I'm going to get out of it. $60 on the ATRs right now. It says she might have a chance. Might have a chance to come up to the 380s, 400s. Ay, ay. This is really annoying. Very slow price action here, guys, but I saw something I liked here on the 5-minute. Hopefully this doesn't let me down. Saw something I really liked. Never thought they'd make it easy, but this is just annoying. So we're gonna get stopped out here possibly. Not looking good. Not looking good. So easy to get on the wrong side of a trade, but so hard to get on the right side of a trade. For me, at least. This is something wild. Wild, wild, wild. No continuation at all. You know, so only continuation we're getting is down to my stop loss. Could be baiting bulls into going long here, but ultimately I think she comes down here. Yeah, not a good look here. Man, what's going on in this market? What is going on? There's like no bounce at all. We're done here. Get stopped out soon here. Coming for me. And we're done. We're out. We are out. This has just been a horrible session. I don't know why I'm looking for a bounce. There is no bounce. There is no bounce. I have come to terms with there is no bounce. There is no upside move. All right, whatever. This is frustrating, guys. 140 is next to SMB. I'm out until night market. Yeah, Ryan. This market's dangerous. Super, super. Someone already coined night shift, so I'm going to night market. Nice, nice, nice. Night market. Here it comes. 29K. I'm trading this opposite of what I should be doing. I should be looking for the shorts, not the longs. Shorts. I just don't trust shorts. I'm just so conditioned to not trust the shorts. That now when the shorts are here, I'm just not taking any of them. So it is what it is. All right, no more. No more. We're still looking bull, says Khan. Yeah, past 2 evals. Nice, Dr. DJ, Mr. DJ. Yeah, they got rejected from that overnight low real hard. All right, looks like the ES is gonna come down to its targets down here at 73.47. Previous day's low for the NQ is down here at 28.830. Looks like the NQ has hit its target now. This is why your bias is dangerous. I really thought we were going to get some longs in here today. How's this daily looking now? Yeah, daily's turning into a power short. Crazy. Just a massive sell-off right now. Not even a bounce from this supposed to 29K. Supposed to have a bounce there. No bounce. What a sell-off. So we can go down to 28,879 on the 15 second. That's where it looks like it may shoot down to. I messed up today. I just counter trend traded every trade I took. I don't think I took one short today. I don't think I took one short at all. I traded horribly. Do you guys think it's too late for shorts now? Yesterday I said 29K. I didn't believe it too. Damn, Dalton. You're like the Nostradamus. ES is hitting its target there as well. Yeah, trend is your friend, of course. Trend is my friend. It's too late for shorts. Let's get them all. It's melting. Might hit 28.5. Should have listened to PAX. What's PAX? Damn, target hit here on the ES also. Okay. Every single target here has been taken. Every one. Even down to 29K. Wild. Oh my God. Today's just crazy. Crazy, crazy day. So they took off a day. They skipped Monday, and they skipped Monday, and then they returned on Tuesday. The Bears took off Mondays. Bears don't work on Mondays. Yeah. Mag 7's dead. Yeah. This is crazy. Have they beat the bulls up enough? $64 right now on the 1 minute ATR. 64. Trying to snipe these bottoms or it's not gonna end well. It reminds you of a dream, Sambi? I remember you telling us about that dream. Crazy sell-off here. Crazy sell-off, guys. Anybody here thinking of a long anytime soon? Watch the night market. We retrace this whole thing. This market is just up and down and up. Big swings. I know. Yeah, last night that market moved up nicely. think I'm gonna try to trade my eval for a little bit. It seems a little bit dangerous in here. Alejandro, thank you for subscribing. Covered shorts and I'm done for the day. Take a little break and the market stressed you. Damn, Paul. That's awesome, man. People need to get flushed out. Too much leverage. Yeah, that could be it too. Definitely could be it. All right. Let's see what happens here. Tough day for bulls, man. Real tough day. Accumulation and dump. Accumulation, dump. That's really all we've been seeing here. I think we see it already 2 times on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Just bear flag after bear flag. I didn't follow my own indicator. That's my fault. I always get in trouble when I do that. I don't follow the trend. I don't follow my signals. That's what happens. I'm gonna try to take my eval here. See if we can get a move up to 987. We'll see. Gonna risk about $100. Hopefully we can get this push. Try and add a little more there. Risking 3 to make 4 on this eval. Just play the shorts today? Yeah, I will. I'm just waiting for it to come back up to 29K for a rejection. This is an eval. I'm not probably gonna take these trades right now with my fundeds. Hey, Jess. Yeah, everybody make sure to like the lives. Yeah, I know, Paresh. Don't ask me why. Sometimes we don't know why we do certain things. I said that earlier. I was not following my own indicator. Just because I created the indicator doesn't mean that I follow it to a T myself. Sometimes your bias gets the best of you. I feel like I had a decent strategy and I think it works well, but my psychology stops me from being profitable because I make dumb choices. How do you combat that? Don't ask me. I did the same thing today. I made some dumb choices today. Real dumb choices. My pre-market bias got the best of me, even though I said you should never have a bias. My pre-market bias did get the best of me today. Let me take it off. It's starting to melt again. Oh, you go apeshit and blow your fundeds. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, that's why I took a break from trading my fundeds for now. I'm just going to trade this eval here. Might be creating a trapped short indication here on the 5-minute, which could be looking pretty good. After this 5-minute confirms, could give us a great indication for where they want to go. And it could be the upside. Starting to like these longs again. These longs are starting to look really good. I'm seeing some stuff I'm starting to really like. We'll have to see how this next 5-minute candle closes though. Small caps is bonkers this week. Stopped out on my live accounts. Yeah, Joni. It's tough. Today, for me, was tough. For some, it was easy. For me, it was tough. It was not a hard market to trade. Just for me, I was on the wrong side of the momentum. This looks like it wants to go. This looks like it wants to go. Yeah, I know. It's looking good for a moment there. Starting to see something build up here on the 15 second. Looks halfway decent. The 5-minute also is looking halfway decent. If we start getting good momentum push to the upside, this could be something worth trading. Shout out to whoever is the trader that held one contract for a short at opening. He should be up 9 grand right now. Yeah. Trading without my wife around, it's bad luck. It's bad luck. Should have stopped when she stopped. More downside coming possibly. If they trap these traders short here, it could be a good sign that they want to go higher. Looks like they want to go. Oh, come on, get off my screen. So we might be getting them push a little higher. Are you serious right now? We still got a 53 on the 1 minute. No follow through on this. At least not like the way I like to see it. Everything's a trap. Everything's a trap. Oh, come on right now. Alright, I'm out again. Alright, that's it, guys. That's it for me, man. I'm not trading this anymore. I tried. I really did. I tried. This long here looked alright, man. It looked alright. Up to 29,000, maybe 2940. But they're not even giving us that. Oh, yeah. Trying to scalp it, man. I was trying to scalp it to 2940, but it's just not happening. Everything's a trap. You adding another one at 845 for your long? Yeah. Yep. Today's a day they could really wreak havoc, even with one micro. Even with one micro. Looks like it's going to sell off some more. I'm going to get stopped out here more than likely. Longs are dangerous? Yeah, I think I figured that part out already. Bears want the Friday low. I'm trying to long again, and yeah, it's not working. It's just not working. Yeah, I'm out. Knicks fans got screwed yesterday going the heavy and guaranteed win. Bam. Yeah, they got hurt. And I'm getting hurt here too, so I'm going to call it here, guys. All right. All right, smart to salvage these and not go anymore. Down 300 per account right now. Down 360 per account. That hurts. That hurts. It really does. Might have to enter shorts finally. I just hate going short after such a big move because it feels like a trap. It's just been my experience. One-sided tape, yep. Short for 2 micros, Joey, smart. I might as well take it too. I'll take it with you, Joey. I'll take it with you. Down to 667. I didn't think they'd keep doing this. Yeah, where is that low? Oh, we got another 5 minute? I didn't even know we had a 1 minute. 28.425. I didn't even know we had that. Oh, now we know. Yeah, Samby. Rough day. I don't know why I could not get myself to turn bearish. I really don't. I don't know why. Normally I can. Today I just could not. I could not get myself to turn bearish. Will we drop 900 points today? Yeah. I think we already did, didn't we? We dropped 1,100 points already. We dropped 1,100. You mean from the open or from today's open, from the New York Open? Stop the odds just to move 200 points in your direction? Yeah, she does that. What's up, Nostalgia Cinema? Yeah, unfortunately, I kept trying to long, brother, and no follow through. Not a good day for me. Now that I'm short, she wants to go higher, of course. Take it off there. So she wants to go higher now. Let's see what happens at 800. $65 on the 1 minute ATR. 65. Wow, wow, wow. I know these are all bull traps, but they can push a bull trap pretty high before bringing it back down. You got out? Once we blow May 19's lows, it's a good time to get back in for the ride to all-time highs. Yeah, maybe. Every single one of those 30-minute candles that we've had so far today has been high volume. Every single one. Every single one has been non-stop selling. That's insanity. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna go here. Does not look like it's gonna go. I'm gonna get out of that. No, baby, I'm good. Yeah, that was a trap. They're barely bringing it any higher. Feeling better, babe? Yeah. Okay. What an incredible, great day. I'm glad you're doing great, man. You think we're going to backfill down to 26.9? Yeah, it could be. Guys, I think I'm going to call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think this will be my last trade here. And yeah, guys, if you guys are looking for prop firms to trade, check out the prop firm matrix and pinned in our chat. We also have the indicator that I did not follow today, but if I did, I would have done really well. Check out the indicator for 7 days. It only cost you $7. And check out the BTCC. I'm currently in a short right now. At least that's doing good. Took a short there. And yeah, you get rewards for just signing up. Check out BTCC. Link for all of that is down below, also pinned in the bio. So yeah, I'm going to go, guys. I'm going to work on some other stuff here in the background. But it looks like the markets are dumping. All right, let me say a quick prayer. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you for giving us the opportunity, Lord, to provide for our families and our loved ones, Lord. I know it's not easy what we do, Father, but I ask you to give us renewed mindset, renewed patience, and give us all the fruits of the Spirit, Lord. Father, please forgive us and for our sins. We repent, Father, and I repent for my sins, Lord, the things that we do every single day, Lord, which definitely are not on your path, Father, to salvation, Father. But we ask you to forgive us, Father, and give us a fresh slate every single day. Lord, I pray for this community, and I pray for everyone here who's going through a hard time, whether that's financially or health-wise, Father, or with their families or their relationships. Father, I pray for all of their well-being, Lord. Lord, I pray that if there's anyone in here, Lord, who has not come to you, Lord, and needs that patience and needs someone to speak to, Father, someone to be comforted by, Lord, they look no further than a relationship with you. Lord, I also pray you keep everyone safe here until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow, and take care. God bless, guys.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or